Don't miss Richard Ashcroft on the album chart show at 12:55 after Green Wing with very strong language. Possibly.
We are sorry for the dot break in this program. A gacha heater has been spotted moving northeast at central London. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Seek shelter. Immediately. Go to a basement or interior room on the lowest floor. Stay away from windows. Protect your eyes and brain from sus stuff. Stay tuned to local media and emergency alerts for updates. Do not leave shelter until officials declare it. Safe life-threatening conditions exist. Take immediate precautions.